When I started writing about cars several years ago, there were 4 brands that I held on high. Ones I saw as the pinnacle of the industry: Bentley, Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Rolls-Royce. It was the far-off, albeit unrealistic, dream of driving these cars that kept me slogging through reviews of the Mitsubishi Mirages of the world. They were the carrot on the end of the stick that kept me trudging along. Amazingly, I eventually worked my way up to these godlike vehicles. First then you. Finally, I reached the final holdout. To my amazement, I found Rolls-Royces drove exactly how I imagined they would. Perfectly. To my amazement, I found Rolls-Royces drove exactly how I imagined they would. Perfectly. They offer force of nature power, yacht-like handling, and exquisite craftsmanship, which can be both observed and felt. And although the Wraith is the sports car of the Rolls range, it still drives a lot like its larger cousin, the Ghost 2. Yes, the Wraith might be a suicide-doored coupe, but it still drove like a seafaring yacht, albeit one with 624 horsepower. Despite its driving dynamics falling into my preconceived notions, I was in no way disappointed with the Wraith, because, as with customers who buy the Wraith, it stands as a culmination of a lifetime of work. Even though a pedestrian, a random passerby, could accurately predict the sensation of driving a Rolls, it's still a wondrous thing, because it's not it drives exactly. It's about how it makes a driver If the Rolls-Royce men are to be believed, the Wraith is supposed to be the kind of car that well-heeled buyers can acquire when they can decide between a Rolls-Royce Ghost Series 2